Again, I've already said this. Knowledge is not power. Applied knowledge will manifest itself as power. So if you're drinking from a fire hose, you go through the whole masterclass, you take it all in, and then you don't know where to start, or you don't remember half of what you learned because it was so much, then most people end up applying virtually nothing. So I would say, take something, get it, get the point, maybe watch the video or read it a couple of times, and once you got it, go apply it. And apply it, and apply it, and apply it. Because you can't apply something one time and be a master at it. You don't take one golf lesson, swing the club a couple times, and hit the ball like Tiger Woods. You need to do it repetition. Repetition is how you get mastery with something. But I know some people, well, not some people, many people in this day and age, they want to microwave their success. So they just want to learn it and do it all right now. So again, you can't go to medical school in 3 weeks. You can't. It takes years. It takes a long time. You don't go to law school in 3 weeks. It takes years. There's a lot to learn, but you have to learn it effectively enough that you can do it. And you got to be able to do it better than a lot of other people because there's so much competition. But I'm telling you, if you make the changes and you commit to them, and change is hard, guys. Again, I'm going to give you one of my favorite things. Try this. This applies to any of the masterclass we're doing. So take your hands and unfold them. And fold your hands. Come on, do it. I can see you. Fold your hands. Unfold them. Fold your hands. One more time. Unfold them. Fold your hands. I bet you folded your hands the same way every time. For me, my left thumb is low and then goes my right thumb, and everything else goes, tumbling in after that. Now unfold your hands and do it the other way. So for me, I'm going to put my right thumb left. Do it. Come on, for real. Doesn't that feel weird? Unfold your hands and do it the weird way again. Still feels weird. Unfold your hands one more time the weird way. Still feels horrible. Now unfold your hands and go back to the way you've been doing it forever. Oh my God, it feels so much better. That's why most people never improve. Because they do it the way they're taught to do it by someone who's a master at it, but it feels so awkward, and we're creatures of habit. So without thinking about it, we go back to doing it the other way. Or because it's awkward and we don't like feeling awkward, we go back to doing it the other way, even though we now know it's the wrong way to go. It's amazing when I see people do that. And I teach people various skills in many different areas of life, like I've already showed you, how to close a sale better, how to do a presentation better. And again, when we take something that's a proven fact and we know it gets better results, and I know that they learned it and they still aren't implementing it, it drives me crazy. But the number one reason they don't implement it is when they try to do it, it feels weird. It feels awkward. You got to be willing to go through the awkward phase to get to where, if you kept doing the hand thing, after a while, the new way would feel normal. As a matter of fact, after a while, if you went back to the old way, that would feel weird. So that's very applicable to everything we're teaching you right now, but it's extraordinarily applicable to anything you're trying to improve and get better with in life. And hopefully, now that you've got this course, you're going to take all the master classes and really focusing on getting better and better and better. And the crazy thing is, if you haven't figured this out, colors will make you better at almost anything. They'll make you better at your career. They'll make you better at different aspects of your career. In the career I was in for a long time, we had to invite people to presentations, do presentations, close people after a presentation, train them on how to get started, and then promote events and things to them. So there were 5 main skills. There were others, but those were the 5 main skills. This information over and over again makes someone a better inviter, a better presenter, a better closer, a better trainer, and a better promoter. Because in the beginning, they were just doing it one size fits all. Now, based upon the personality of the person they're dealing with, they adjust it. So hopefully you're getting a lot out of this, but remember, don't get overwhelmed. One bite at a time. That's how you eat an elephant, right? If you don't know that, how you eat an elephant, one bite at a time. It's going to take a long time, but if you do it one bite at a time, someday you're going to finish. And eating an elephant, I don't think would be very fun or desirable. I don't think it's going to make you any better. Learning this information slowly and mastering it will make you much better in every area of your life.